Hello friends, I'm Ratul here, your tech assistant, and you're watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Access to technology with accessibility. You are warm welcome to another interesting video. So if I want to open Notepad quickly, what can I do? I need to go to search bar, then type Notepad, then press enter to open the Notepad. But I'm pressing Windows plus 2.
Untitled Notepad, text editor, edit multi-line blank.
So the Notepad is open. If I want to open the Chrome quickly, I'm pressing just Windows plus 1.
Task new tab, Google Chrome, toolbar, address and search bar, edit as.
The Google Chrome is now open. So let me close two things. So this is the shortcut key which I have already specified for those two softwares. Right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can also do the same. If you know how to do this, just press the like button and you can skip this video. But if you want to know this, then without skipping, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you come to this channel for the first time. Press the bell icon, choose all notifications to get latest posts. Also, we have Telegram channels and groups. The links are given in the description below. You can join our community. So without any delay, let's get started. For this, you need to add whatever application you want in your taskbar. It's very easy. It's very easy. So how to do? Suppose I am using Goldwave regularly. So I want to create a shortcut to open it. I'm just going to Windows key. I'm pressing Windows key to go to the search bar.
Search window, search box, edit.
Now I'm tapping here Goldwave.
Goldwave app. Press right to switch preview 1 of 1 level 1.
So when it says the app name and app preview, then I'm pressing application key here.
Bing document, context menu list expanded.
So the context menu is now expanded. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Run as administrator, not
down
selected.
arrow.
Open file location,
down arrow.
Pin to start, not selected 3 of 5.
Down arrow.
Pin to taskbar, not selected 4 of 5.
So pin to taskbar, which means the files will be pinned to our taskbar or pin in our taskbar. Taskbar, what is taskbar? Taskbar is Windows can remember whatever the programs you run when you turn on your computer or when you're working on your computer. So Windows can remember whatever the program is running in the taskbar. So this is called taskbar. So if you pin any application into taskbar, then the application will be opened by Windows key followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, which is available above the QWERTY key line. So I'm pressing enter here.
Search box, edit Goldwave.
So now I am pressing Windows plus 5 because in Windows 4 I have Thunderbird. So I am pressing Windows 5 to open Goldwave. Let's see it will open or not.
Control record new button.
So finally the Goldwave is opened. So this is the way you can easily create shortcut or pin to taskbar any of your application, and you can easily or quickly open by using Windows key followed by the numbers key. So this is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye. This is Ratul signing off.